we have Team 6. Who needs fuses? Who does need fuses?
Well, no one. The story behind it is, in lab, Danny up there was fixing power supplies and looked over at us and said in a maniacal voice, "Who needs fuses? Why wouldn't you want a power supply that would just give current until it explodes?"
So tell us a little bit about your robot's wandering strategy.
It wall follows until it sees a ball. Oh, it got one. You can actually see up on the orc board, the hot flag there, what it's trying to do. You can see a crosshair on whichever ball it's trying to go after. Let's see if I can see the ball. You can see a crosshair on whatever balls it's trying to go after. So now that it has two, it only thinks it has one, so it'll try and get that one and then go for a goal.
So can you explain the different things that are showing up on your bot client view right now?
At the moment, nothing. I can point them out as they appear. So it sees a ball, it's trying to center on it, and it'll charge once it thinks it's adequately centered. It won't get that one. It won't get that one because it can only hold two, but now that it thinks it has two, it'll go for a goal.
And how does it think that it has two? Does it assume that it gets every ball that it goes for?
Pretty much. It just makes the assumption that, yeah, I went for a ball, so I probably have it, right?
Is it scanning right now?
This is a strange behavior that we've had in closed spaces occasionally. Hopefully within 10 seconds it'll enter its stuck mode and do something random, but...
So what exactly is it looking for right now?
Right now it's just trying to wall follow, but occasionally we've been having issues with the front sensor, the front IR sensor, triggering when it ought not to. Oh, you can do it, robot! You can do it!
So your robot really wants to turn around that angle. Can you tell us why?
Filter just triggering. It should wall follow now. And hopefully find its way to a goal. It still believes it's finding a goal. It still believes that it's finding a goal.
Is this another scan that you're seeing right here?
No, it's still in the stuck in a bottleneck mode. It hopefully will get out. We made some changes recently to improve it getting out of this situation, but it's going to try and wall follow until it can find a goal.
Take down that wall.
like it's trying to return the playing field to the original orientation.
It's actually kind of strange that it's turning left like that, because I'm pretty sure we don't have any long left turns in the code.
It's going around the bend again. Hopefully it'll make its way out this time. Oh. 2 points for All Circuits Groovy. Team 12. So what is your robot doing currently?
It's calibrating its gyro so that it can turn correctly, and then it should start going. So right now it's trying to wall follow. It's basically what it does. It's got 3 IR sensors, infrared sensors in the front, and if it gets too close to a wall, it turns away from the wall and just tries to go straight. So right now it's looking for red balls. You can see up there on the bot client exactly what it sees, what it's recognizing. So that ball's too far away for it to recognize.
Right there.
Well, what it's supposed to do is supposed to go up to the ball, and if the ball gets close enough, it's supposed to open its gate that's got in the front there. It's a big gate. Maybe it'll do it with this guy. Let's see. So right now it's trying to center itself on the ball.
So did it just give up at that point?
No, it's still trying to center itself.
So at this point, did it decide that it can no longer see a ball?
Yeah, should be trying to do its own thing now.
So I guess while it's making up its mind, can you tell us about the ball grabbing mechanism that's sitting in front? It's a 2-part design.
Yeah, actually, so there's a big gate in the front, and it can open up in 2 places. Actually, I think it's stuck in a threading like lock or something like that. That's why it's not printing anything. But yeah, so the gate can open all the way and let balls into the inside of the bot, or the gate can open halfway and let just one ball sit in the gate area, and that way you can control the power ball. But
as we wait to figure out whether the robot may continue moving or not, you've also used a bit of math in your the back of your ball collection mechanism. How's that supposed to work?
I think one of my other teammates has a better idea about this.
Oh yeah, so how it works is in the back, of the ball carriage, it has a parabola with the focal point 10 inches in front of the gate. So the robot theoretically should be able to run, stop, and no matter where the ball is in the back of it, it should project it about 10 inches in front of the robot. So, and the other centering mechanism for the front gate was when it captures it between the two gates, is it's at an angle, so the robot can just shuffle back and forth to center the green ball in the middle before it flips the